Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to send animated stickers on WhatsApp. Firstly, you need to go on your chat section and then you need to select a chat of a person that you want to go and send him an animated stickers. For example, we'll go with this one, and now what I need to do, just simply go on my left side or on my left wing by typing on the sticker side, and here as you can see I have three options for sticker side: the first one, the second one, or the last one. And the last one is our main point right here, because the last one is for animated stickers. Now if I go here and select stickers which are interesting for me, it will be, for example, we'll go and download this one. Now I will need to wait for downloading this one, for example. And here guys, as you can see, this sticker is animated. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.